Hi, say goodbye to foggy headlights. Today I will guide you how to do polish headlights. This is sandpaper 1000, and first I sand with 1000 with water. After that I clean it with tissue, and you use cloth as well. So after that I will sand with another sandpaper is 1500. You need to proper sand it and take time, no quicker and faster. If you do faster is make problem. And after 15,000 I do 2000. So keep do it is slowly. After that I polish with compound with polish machine. So I polish with polish machine is 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You use towel. If you don't have polish machine, you use fiber cloth and polish it with your hand. If you do with your hand, it take time. This is fiber cloth. I clean it with fiber cloth.